What's up, guys? Alright, so today we are taste testing the newest noodles from Splendid Spoon.
Guys, I'm trying to contain myself. Yes. Honestly, we are obsessed with ramen noodles in general. So when Splendid Spoon reached out to us and said that they are starting a new line of noodles, we were like,
yes.
Give it to me, Daddy.
Now these look more like, what, fettuccinis? Linguine?
Yes. It's not like those chubby ramen noodles or anything like that.
Yeah.
They're definitely more sort of rectangular, would you say?
Yeah. But they're like inspired by like Asian dishes.
Yes.
And you know, it's a bit of a variety, so.
Yes, and we do have a coupon code for you guys. You know, whenever we can get a coupon code, we make sure we try to hook you guys up. And we have worked with Splendid Spoon in the past.
So if you guys don't know what Splendid Spoon is,
thank you to Splendid Spoon for sending us these meals to review. They offer ready-to-eat, nourishing, plant-based smoothies, soups, and grain bowls. Each meal contains gluten-free and GMO-free ingredients. Splendid Spoon ships nationwide straight to your door. Make sure you check out our description box so you can use our affiliate code to place your order.
Alright, so we're gonna jump right in and start tasting these noodles.
Yes.
We're going to start with, what do you want to start with?
Right to left.
Okay.
Well, our right, yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna start with the creamy butternut squash noodles. Alright, so we're gonna dig right in.
Alright, so question. I feel like you don't love butternut squash.
Not the biggest fan of butternut squash, simply because my most recent experience that I can remember was butternut squash soup, and I was not a fan.
Yeah, you were doing...
I was doing the cleanse from Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. Yes.
Good, great documentary, check that out.
But yeah, I was not a fan.
Smells good.
It smells good though.
Smells very clean. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, it is creamy. It is butternut, but I need more flavor.
Yeah, flavor has to kick through a little bit more.
I need more flavor. I like the broccoli in there. There's lots of broccoli in there. And I like that about it.
You know what?
But I need more flavor.
I feel like the girls might like this.
Yes, it tastes very clean.
I'm always trying to think, you know what else could be good in this too? Some like chicken scallopini from Gardein.
Ooh, yeah.
Just to kick it up a notch.
That scallopini might bring it up a little bit, but it has a really good base, and like I said, it tastes very clean. You feel like you're doing something good for yourself. So that's good.
It tastes like if somebody used this same sauce in like a mac and cheese.
Very creamy.
For like kids, you know, to be like, here's how to sneak veggies in here, you know?
It's very creamy and very smooth. I feel like I'm doing something really good.
Yeah. Definitely needs a lot more flavor.
On a scale of 1 to 5, I give it a 3.
I agree. But now I'm even more excited because all these flavors sound so interesting.
They sound very interesting and they smell really good.
I'm hoping to see where else they're going with this.
Yes.
But yeah.
As you can hear, the children are running around doing crazy things. If you don't know, we are a family of 8 and we have 6 kids. We've been vegan for 5 years.
Yeah, so this is your first time here.
Yeah, it's always busy here.
It's crazy. I always said I wanted my life to feel like the opening scene of Home Alone.
Yes.
Where it's just like super crazy, super busy, kids running all around.
Absolutely.
And also the favorite thing scene from Sound of Music, as he said. Where it's just like all these kids in the bed and you're singing, and now we have that.
Now we have that.
Manifestation is real. Go after your dreams.
Go after your dreams. Alright, so next up are the green curry noodles.
I like curry. He likes curry.
This one smelled really good.
And we don't usually do like green curry. Like
I've never had green curry.
Yeah, we're Caribbean, so our curry is yellow.
Yes.
That's like the only curry we do. But
we've had red curry and orange curry, but never green. So this should be interesting.
All right. Smells good. You know, Splendid Spoon stuff be smelling so good.
Yeah, man.
Cheers. Is this onions? Mushrooms?
That looks like mushrooms.
That's a little kick.
I like this one.
That's a little.
Ooh, that's spicy. That's a spicy one. It's good though.
Oh my gosh.
I like the flavor with that one, but it is a little on the spicy side. Ooh, that's really spicy.
That's way more spicy than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's very unassuming.
Mm-hmm.
When you get into it though, it'll bite your back. I like that though, that's good. That one is good.
I really like that one. What is this called?
This is the green curry noodles. Cool down a little bit.
Can you get some water?
Oh, from the coldest water? Guys, if you don't know about the coldest water, you better ask somebody.
We are gonna leave a link in the description box. This water stays cold, ice cold.
Yes, for like 25 plus hours.
36.
36? 36. Which is definitely needed right now because these noodles are a bit spicy.
Yes. Some water.
Yeah. All right, so after some water and a little bit of vegan ice cream, we are ready for the next one.
Guys, we like spicy stuff.
Yes.
So that was pretty spicy.
Oh, spicy side.
Let's go.
All right, so the next one up is Tangy ginger noodles.
Okay, I love ginger.
Yes. Wasn't too excited about the smell of it.
Yeah, it smells like a little too much ginger if you ask me.
I'm excited because Splendid Spoon, when they put things out, and every time we've tried it, the flavors have been interesting and very surprising when we taste it. It's like, wow, this is really good. So,
yeah.
Let's go.
Cheers.
And there you have it, folks. That is delicious.
It's sweet.
I didn't particularly like the smell when it was cooking, but this is delicious. I'm enjoying this. I don't think I've ever tasted anything like this before.
3, 4, 5.
This is a 5.
This is delicious.
I don't think I've ever tasted anything like this before. It's sweet. It has that tanginess that its namesake is. But the flavors come together very well. It's delicious, man.
Wow.
That's good.
Trying to get my thoughts together because I'm also thinking about my next forkful.
Yeah, I'm trying not to like eat more because I gotta leave room for the other ones, but this one's my favorite one so far.
Sweet, flavorful.
I like where that's going.
I like when noodles have like a flavor story.
Yes.
You know?
It's very...
Food has to have a flavor story.
Very layered. That's a good one.
I don't want to stop eating that.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, we're gonna finish that one.
I'm the kind, I would mix this with this too.
Ooh, yes.
Nasty.
Absolutely. You
nasty. Put nasty.
You nasty.
Alright.
Alright, so this next one is Sesame Noodles.
Hold on. Cleanse my palate.
Yeah, cleanse my palate.
Hope you guys are doing great. You guys know we like to take a little...
You gotta take a breather, man.
Yeah, I always say you gotta take time to sharpen your sword.
Yes.
Otherwise, that's how you become a hack. If you're just hacking away, not taking time to stop, sharpen your sword and come back sharper.
You gotta stop, assess,
Yes.
reevaluate, and come back, man.
Yeah.
Come back, baby.
So what is this one called?
This is the Sesame Noodles now.
Sesame noodles. Now, I'm a huge fan of like peanut noodles and stuff.
Yeah, that's
Leave a
what this
comment
smells
below, guys. Whichever one you are more. Are you more of like a peanut noodle, sesame noodle person?
Right.
Are you more of a butternut squash? They kind of have something for everybody.
Yeah, this is very Asian inspired and it smells good, man.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. I don't like that one.
Super strong.
Not a fan of that one.
We did burn this one a little bit. Burnt sesame. It's not the business.
Maybe that's what it is because I'm not liking this one.
That's a 1. That's a 1.
Yeah,
but it might be a 2, maybe a 3. I don't know. We did burn it a little bit.
A little bit, but I'm not.
Flavors are way too strong.
Yeah, I'm not liking what's going on there.
But maybe you will try it. Maybe you will like it.
Maybe sesame noodles. Maybe you've had sesame noodles before, and it's right up your alley.
Yeah.
If so, go ahead and check it out. But
that's definitely a palate cleanser one.
Yeah, for me, that's not into that one.
I personally would not buy that. These two, the first, the second, and the third one, I would definitely 100% buy. The third one, no. Sorry.
The fourth one.
The fourth one, no. And you guys know we always keep it honest with you.
Gotta keep it honest.
There's no, like, what's the point of you going and spending your money only to come back and tell us, yeah, that was trash.
That was trash, yeah.
Like,
so
no.
we gotta keep it real with you guys, and that's the only way, like we tell you guys all the time, that is the only way that these companies will improve these products.
Yes. Whenever he gets really serious and he gets this like really like earnest look in his face, it is
I do these with the eyebrows.
It is so cute. So cute.
Alright, so this next one, the last one, but not least, is the Kale Pesto Noodles.
I love kale.
We love kale in this house.
Yes, we're a kale household.
And who doesn't love a good pesto, man?
Pesto, that's tough. That's tough. Let me smell this.
Got a nice little forkful.
Not loving that smell.
I'm not opposed to it.
Not loving it. What are the stringy things? What else does it say?
Kale, pesto. Let me see what's in here. You got some rice noodles, kale, water, roasted tomatoes, almonds, olive oil, cashews, hemp seeds, garlic, black pepper, salt.
Super healthy.
Lemon juice.
And guys, all of these have whole foods ingredients.
Yes. That's probably why you lose weight, because it's like whole food ingredients.
Yes.
Super clean, and you feel like you're doing something good for yourself. So let's try this. That's fresh.
That's not for me.
That's fresh. I'm not mad at this. It can be a bit overwhelming. I would say a little less kale would be ideal, but I like it though. It tastes very fresh to me. I give it 1 of 3.
I still have my teeth green.
No. I got stuff in my lip.
Yeah.
Green.
Let me see. Let me see.
No, I like this one. This one's pretty good. I give this one a 3.5.
Alright guys, so that was it. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We missed you guys. We hope you missed us too.
Yeah. We got plenty of content coming for you guys.
Lots of content coming for you guys. This was just a little taste of what we have coming up. We're about to hit 11,000 subscribers. Guys, we're like super antisocial. This pandemic was nothing new for us.
Nothing new.
We've socially distanced from the world for basically 15 years.
We've been trading for this for a while.
We've been trading for this for a while. So having 11,000 people who chose to click that subscribe button means so much to us. You guys know we love you so much. Make sure you follow us on Instagram too, because that is the best way to keep up with us between videos. I am super active on Insta stories.
Insta stories.
Every day.
Reels.
Every
pictures.
day. Reels.
Check them out, man.
Yeah.
Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and please make sure you leave a comment letting us know what you would love to see before the end of the year. If there's any kind of video that we have not done, or whatever, we want to make exactly the content you guys want to see. We hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to drink your milk.
There are so many choices being made over here. You just have to respect it. You just have to allow people to just be themselves.